behind me as we speak, there is a Ford Raptor. Yes, a Ford Raptor. We have done multiple 4x4 modifications to it, starting with underneath we've got a hammer bash plate. We've also spray painted it to match the body colour and it looks stunning. I love it. So if you come further up, we have a MuscleLift winch which has 12,500 foot-pounds of pulling power, which can easily take you out of anywhere you get bogged. So why wouldn't you want one? Then we have our hammer bull bar, absolutely stunning. You look at the finish on the coating, it's beautiful, and the lettering on the bull bar is just smashing. We also have our 21-inch light bar that we've fitted. And a bonnet skirt that we've also colour matched. Okay, if you follow me to the front here, you'll see we've got one of these one-of-a-kind wheels. Well, actually we've got 4 of them, and they're fuel rippers. They look absolutely stunning, and the tyres we chose to put on them are the Ridge Raptor Nitos, which are very good for off-road manoeuvrability and also traction. If we move further on to the back here, we have our Tyrant extended sports bar, which we've mounted on top of our electrical roller shutter. But it is a good roller shutter. It's better than having to physically do it yourself, you know. Button, and there you go, it's rolled in or rolled out, either way. We've put on our Tyrant Weathershields right here. And last but not least, we have also modified the suspension by putting a 2-inch lift in it, so you've got plenty of clearance off-road to help you get out of trouble. So that's the list we've got on this Ford Raptor, and thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and give us some feedback.